there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Creative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In the heart of an untamed jungle, beneath the leafy canopy, lived Tarzan, the legendary man of the forest. With his strength, agility, and deep understanding of the wild, Tarzan was the protector of all living creatures within the jungle realm. One day, while Tarzan swung from vine to vine, he heard a peculiar noise coming from a dense thicket. Approaching cautiously, he stumbled upon an unusual scene: a rabbit practicing kung fu moves. This rabbit, whose name was Bao, had a coat as white as the brightest star, and his large ears twitched with precision as he leapt gracefully. "You've got some impressive moves there, Bao," Tarzan marveled. Bao paused mid-kick, noticing Tarzan for the first time. "Thank you, Tarzan. I've been training in the art of kung fu to protect myself and others from the dangers lurking in the jungle." Tarzan nodded appreciatively. The jungle can indeed be a perilous place. But together, perhaps we could stand much stronger. That very evening, a disturbance shook the peaceful jungle. A group of mischievous monkeys began causing havoc, stealing fruits, and bothering the smaller animals. Bao, determined to test his skills, dashed towards the chaos, his small feet making no sound. Tarzan followed, watching curiously but ready to assist at a moment's notice. With swift and precise kung fu moves, Bao confronted the naughty monkeys, dodging branches and hopping over stumps. Using the lessons he'd learned, Bao got the fruits back. "These are not yours," Bao exclaimed, executing a perfect rabbit roundhouse kick, gently knocking some sense into the primates. Tarzan couldn't help but smile in admiration. "You really are something special, Bao," he said as he swung in to help restore order, impressing the monkeys with his own agility and strength. Together, Tarzan and Bao brought peace back to the jungle clearing. The monkeys, realizing their mischief was futile against such a dynamic duo, returned the stolen fruits. That night, as Tarzan and Bao sat together under the starlit sky, a new friendship blossomed. "We make a great team, don't we?" Bao said with a playful wink. "Indeed," Tarzan replied, his heart warm with pride. "There's more to the jungle than just surviving. It's about thriving together, with respect and cooperation." From then on, Tarzan and the Kung Fu Rabbit's adventures grew even more legendary. Side by side, they became the jungle's dual guardians. A formidable pair whose stories inspired all creatures to believe in friendship, unity, and courage.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our